beautiful people. For those who don't know me, I go by the name King Petrelli, and I'm a dancer, dance choreographer slash dance fitness instructor. And most of you have requested me to do a video where I can do some simple dance moves, and which will be able to help you do your workouts. So I'm going to do a part of tutorial, and then from there we're going to do a dance fitness workout where you have to enjoy yourself. And it's not all about it's not about perfection, it's about you working out, it's about you burning the calories, about you turning up and just being there for your body and doing whatever you love. Just enjoy yourself. It's more about enjoyment than perfection or anything else. So I would just want to encourage you to put on your dancing shoes and get on the floor with me. Guys, hope you have your dancing shoes ready to go, because right now it's going to get lit. We're going to do the moves. I'm going to show you the simple moves which you're going to do together, and I hope that you guys enjoy, because I'm so psyched up. I know you're going to enjoy this. So guys, let's get to it. Guys, the very first step that you're going to be doing is going to involve the feet. So on my count, let's go. So this is the movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do at the counts of around 8. The second step is going to involve both hands and feet. So this is what we're going to be doing. 1, left to the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you stretch your hands to the side and then move your legs to the sides, but to make sure you are stretching this part of your body. So that's the idea. At the same time, make sure you have this sitting position, because now you're working these muscles. Okay? So I'm going to repeat once again. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are some of the ideas that I came up with. So this one is going to involve from going down and going up, working with the levels. So first, it requires you to hold your feet. Then we're going to move forward in a full kind of motion. So this is the idea. 1, and then 2. And then you're going to come up on this shoulder, this side of your body. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you repeat 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's the idea. And then after that, we're going to have another move. This other move will require you just come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, 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 up. Just to complement it, I'm going to do the full move. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, go out. 1, 2, 3, 4, out. 2, 3, 4, out. 1, 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 2, 3, 4. So this next move, it requires hands to be in this position. And then I said that we are supposed to be in this sitting kind of position. And then now this one is going to involve movements of the head and the neck and the legs. Okay, so let's go. Okay, this next move is one of the simplest. So the idea is to just go forward, forward, side, side, up, up, hit, hit. Let's go. Up, up, elbow, elbow, up, up, elbow, elbow. Actually, dance all kind of style. So watch, just follow my lead. I don't know how to explain this one. So let's go. 1, 2, side and there. 1 and 2 and side and there. 1, 2, side there. 1 and 2 and side and there. So I'm going to add something else just to spice it up. So this one's going to go like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and down and up. 1 and 2 and down and up. 1 and 2 and down and up. Then I'm going to do the complete part of it. So we're going to do 2 to the side and there. Then we're going to do 2 down and up. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then now I'm going to add another slide. So this one is just messing around, moving, just having the good vibe, feeling it, yeah, feeling the music. So this one we're going to go around. It's actually a dance from Kenya, it's called Body. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've already completed the moves, and right now we're going to do the dances with the song, and we're going to be jamming to Daddy Yankee's called Calma. It's one of my favorite songs, and guys, without wasting any time, let's get to it right now. You guys can already see I'm sweating a bit, yeah, and this if you do this for just a few minutes before you go to work or after coming from work, at whatever time, you can do this. Even in the office, you can just it's like 2 minutes, 3 minutes dance, but it's good because you have worked out and enjoyed yourself at the same time. So we've already done the whole dance, and this one will require you to do it twice. So this is the first part. This is the first part till the end. There's nothing to be added on, and then after that we're going to have a repetition of the first step to the last. Okay, so from the chorus is the kung fu kind of thing that we did, and then from there the rest is just a repetition of what we've done. But you don't have to like perfect it. You don't have like to follow some rules. This one is for you to just have fun and work out, burn those calories, light them up, and have fun. Just have fun, guys. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video, make sure to subscribe and like the video. If you want me to do this and many others, comment any song that you want me to do a workout video on. And till next time, thank you.